Welcome. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the personal vault facility available with Microsoft OneDrive. This facility is available with all Microsoft personal accounts, and I am viewing my personal OneDrive via a browser. Included with the folders for documents, pictures, and so on is a folder called Personal Vault, which is set up on first use with additional security such as a PIN or fingerprint, and cannot be opened without entering this security information. So to open the folder, I right-click and choose Unlock, and I need to enter my PIN. On a mobile, you can use an alternative method such as a fingerprint. The folder is now unlocked and I can select it to view the contents. I can create folders and store documents in the same way as any other folder, up to the total OneDrive storage limit for my account. So you are aware, with a free account, you can only store up to 3 items. I will go back to my files and you will see that the personal vault is still open. It will remain open for 20 minutes because I'm on a PC. On a mobile, it will stay open for 3 minutes. However, you can change this if you wish. Alternatively, I can lock the vault at any time by right-clicking and selecting Lock. If you have any further questions relating to the personal vault facility or OneDrive in general, please feel free to contact me.